Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of things I'll be doing while I am social distancing. Today I'll be making jollof rice, and these are the seasonings I'll be using. I started out with some groundnut oil. I used that in my pan. I heat it up for a bit, and that's the rice that I'm parboiling. I put some onions in it. I put some ginger. Then after which I added some pepper add cooked. So it was pepper and tomatoes add cooked. So I added it at this point. After that, I mixed it up so it could cook for a while and just leave it to simmer down for a bit. I kept stirring and stirring so it doesn't dry up. I'm a restless cooker, so you see me pacing the time. Once I start to cook, I just want to stay there and see through to the end. Same thing for when I make clothes. Okay, so I added some herbs into the mix, did some ginger, some powdered ginger, did some nutmeg, I did some ground chili, white chili, curry, then some thyme just to remind us what time it is. Dry joke. Anyway, so I added some water and waited for it to simmer some more. That's some Maggi seasoning. And I mix. Oof. I don't want to tell you how it tasted after it was ready, so let's just wait and see the process. Like I told you before, I like to clean up after myself. So while I'm cooking, I'm putting things back in place. Anything I'm no longer using or I'm not likely to touch, I just keep it away. And I come back to stirring because yes, I am restless. Anyway, so this is me taking out my bay leaf that I was going to use later, and today I'm having a water break instead of my ribena. So I took out prawns at some point because I wanted to stir it later. I didn't want to stir it in this mix, and I wanted to do some transfers, which you're going to see shortly. So let's do this. So I got a fresh pot. I poured my mix in it because the rice is about to go in and the sauce was ready. Then I changed my spoon to a spatula and I am ready to pour the rice in it. Yeah, I ended up realizing that the pot was too small and I had excess rice. Guess what happened to the excess rice? You can call me, leave a comment, or send a message to guess what happened to the excess rice. And if you're right, just maybe, you might have a taste of this delicious rice. I added some bay leaf, by the way. Then I did the tomatoes. I love tomatoes. I love onions. So I just mix, and voila, our rice is ready. I ate it with all the goodness in my heart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and please share it. Thank you for watching this episode. Mwah.